Melodious, fun for little Maestros kids musical piano mat to spark creativity and joy. And this musical mat contains 25 built-in sounds, including 7 instruments sounds, 15 melodies, and 10 music keys. This music play mat keeps your child fun for hours and also helps kids to gain music knowledge. And they come in a cute shape. The owl-shaped mouthpiece attracts the child attention, and they have non-woven material, soft, non-toxic material that won't hurt your child's skin, easy to clean, wipe clean with a damp cloth, and non-slip back. And the non-slip back prevents children from being damaged by drops, and the non-slip surface will not cause any damage to the floor. And it is soft and has no chemical smell, and very foldable and lightweight. And this portable piano dance playmat is foldable and lightweight. Parents can make or can take their kids to picnic, camping, traveling, and also allows 2 kids to play together and improves the child's social skills. If you want to get to know more about this product, you're gonna find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.